Schoolthings. Listen and repeat. What is it? It's a school. Who is he? He's a teacher. Who are they? They are pupils. What is it? It's a whiteboard. What is it? It's a board. What is it? It's a chalk. What is it? It's a duster. What is it? It's a desk. What is it? It's a table. What is it? It's a chair. What is it? It's a shelf. What is it? It's a clock. What is it? It's a waste paper basket, or a dustbin. What is it? It's a recycling bin. What is it? It's a globe. What is it? It's a map. What is it? It's an exercise book. What is it? It's a notebook. What is it? It's a notepad. What is it? It's a book. What is it? It's a worksheet. What is it? It's a paper. What is it? They are cards. What is it? It's a timetable. What is it? It's a pencil. What is it? It's a sharpener. What is it? It's an eraser. What is it? It's a ruler. What is it? It's a ballpoint pen, or a biro. What is it? It's a fountain pen. What is it? It's a felt tip. What is it? It's a
crayon.
What is it? It's a paintbrush. What is it? It's a paint box. What is it? It's a colored pencil. What is it? It's a pencil case. What is it? It's a pair of scissors. What is it? It's a school bag. What is it? It's a glue stick. What is it? It's a lunchbox. What is it? It's a water bottle. What is it? It's a file. What is it? It's a folder. What is it? It's a ring binder. What is it? It's a box cutter. What is it? It's a tape or clear tape. What is it? It's a tape dispenser. What is it? It's a stapler. What is it? They are staples. What is it? It's a hole punch. What is it? It's an envelope. What is it? It's a drawing pin or thumbtack. What is it? It's a push pin. What is it? It's a rubber band. What is it? It's a stamp. What is it? It's an ink pad. What is it? It's a paper clip. What is it? It's a clipboard. What is it? It's a bulldog clip. What is it? It's a fold-back clip. What is it? It's a post-it.